To celebrate National White Wine Day, we are going to show you how to make our fun variation on the White Sangria. Now, traditionally you'll also see brandy, but we're going to go with a rum just to kind of go with those kind of summer tropical vibes. So we're going to do a really delicious Genepy. So if you have green chartreuse, this is a good option, but it has a lot of kind of herbal qualities that's going to go really, really well with this sangria. Then we're going to go ahead and put our simple syrup in, and this is to tie all those flavors together. And I'm just going to pour a little bit of wine in there. I'm going to stir it up. So the next thing we're going to do is add our fruit in there, and we're going to be doing some citrus in there and some stone fruits and just a lot of fun summer flavors. So now we're just going to go ahead and top this off with the remainder of our Vino Verde, and you can see that carbonation again. This is going to make a really delicious sangria. Happy National White Wine Day, everyone. Cheers.